Hi, my name's Larry and I'm part of the product development team here at California Air Tools. And in front of me today is one of our new products. In front of me today is our California 8010 air compressor. This is a 1 horsepower, 110, 8-gallon steel tank air compressor. This air compressor produces 2.2 CFM at 90 PSI and 3.1 CFM at 40 PSI. As you can see, it's got two handles so you can lift this air compressor up. It is 48 pounds. It comes with wheels so you can move it around. This air compressor is a 1 horsepower air compressor as mentioned, and it is designed for airbrushing, engraving, filling your tires up, brad nailers, finish nailers, and a variety of other air tools. It comes with a industrial female quick connector, and it is a very nice air compressor. It's only 60 decibels. That means you can use it inside a house, on a job site, in a garage. It is a great air compressor, and it's a nice size tank to use for a lot of air tools. This air compressor is 60 decibels. Let me turn this on so you get to hear what the sound level is with this air compressor. So as you can tell, this is 60 decibels, which is quiet, which means you can stand next to it, talk, and work in a garage, a house, and not bother the neighbors or anyone else. Next to me is one of our competitors. This air compressor is 90 decibels. 90 decibels is unacceptable. It's very loud and very noisy. So as you can hear, that air compressor is very loud. And as you can tell here, this is only 60 decibels. It's our ultra quiet air compressor by California Air Tools.